Indicator constraints are logic constraints that enforce a certain constraint in case of a condition holds on a binary variable of an optimization problem. The p.add indicator method of the Express Python interface creates and adds indicator constraints by passing a tuple that contains the condition on the binary variable and an expression containing the constraint to enforce. The method can receive a single or several indicator constraints as arguments, where each argument can be a list, a tuple, or a NumPy array of indicator constraints. In this example, when binary variable x takes the value 1, a constraint applies on variable y to be no greater than 15. The add indicator method also accepts nonlinear constraints to be enforced. The Python Notebook Indicators.ipynb example showcases the use of indicator constraints. First, a problem is constructed with variables of various types, including a binary variable VB, to serve as the indicator variable. Then, two indicator constraint tuples are created. In each object, the first position of the tuple contains the indicator variable value that specifies the condition when the constraint in the second position of the tuple is to be applied. In the following cell code, the add indicator method is used to add the first tuple to the problem, and a second call to the same method is made to add a new indicator constraint directly, as well as the second of the previously created tuples. The next code cell uses the problem method called getIndicators to query the indicator variables and corresponding flags currently added to the problem. These are then printed in the corresponding output cell. In the last code cell, we define the objective function and optimize the problem, before printing the solution values for v1 and v2, as well as the whole solution vector and the final objective value.